In the evolving landscape of small business management, especially for freelancers and self-employed professionals, finding an all-in-one solution for financial tasks is a top priority. While FreshBooks is widely recognized for its invoicing and accounting capabilities, a common question that comes up is about its payroll functionality. Specifically, many wonder, is FreshBooks a free payroll software? As an accounting software expert, I can clarify this for you. No, FreshBooks is not a free payroll software. While FreshBooks itself offers various paid subscription plans for its core accounting features, payroll is provided as a separate, paid add-on. This is a common model in the accounting software industry, where core bookkeeping and invoicing are separate from the more complex and regulated function of payroll. Understanding FreshBooks' payroll offering. FreshBooks understands that many small businesses, as they grow and hire employees or a significant number of contractors, will eventually need robust payroll services. To meet this need, FreshBooks integrates with and offers payroll services through a partnership, primarily with Gusto in the United States. This integration means you can manage your payroll directly within your FreshBooks account, creating a more cohesive financial management experience. However, this convenience comes with an additional cost, separate from your main FreshBooks subscription. Let's break down what that typically entails. Base monthly fee. There's usually a flat monthly fee for accessing the payroll feature itself. This is often a fixed amount that you pay regardless of how many employees you have. Per employee/contractor fee. In addition to the base fee, you'll typically incur a per employee or per contractor charge each month. This fee scales with the size of your team, meaning the more people you pay, the higher your monthly payroll cost will be. Tiered services. Potentially, while FreshBooks aims for simplicity, the integrated payroll solution, like Gusto, often has different tiers of service. A basic tier might cover unlimited payroll runs and direct deposits, while higher tiers could include features like automated tax filings, new hire reporting, benefits administration, HR support, and year-end tax forms, W-2s, 1099s. The more comprehensive the features you need, the higher the cost. Why payroll isn't usually free, and why that's okay. It's important to understand why payroll services, even as an add-on to accounting software, are rarely free. Payroll is a highly complex and regulated area of business finance. It involves much more than simply calculating wages. Tax compliance. This is the biggest factor. Businesses are legally obligated to withhold and pay various federal, state, and local taxes, like income tax, Social Security, Medicare, unemployment taxes. Payroll software automates these calculations and often handles the actual filing and payment of these taxes, ensuring compliance and avoiding costly penalties. Direct deposit. Most modern payroll solutions offer direct deposit, which requires secure banking integrations and processes. Employee self-service. Many payroll systems provide employee portals where staff can access pay stubs, update personal information, and manage their tax withholdings. Year-end reporting. Generating W-2s for employees and 1099s for contractors at year-end is a critical payroll function. Compliance with labor laws. Payroll software helps businesses stay compliant with minimum wage laws, overtime rules, and other labor regulations that vary by location. Integration with accounting. A good payroll system seamlessly integrates with your general ledger, automatically recording payroll expenses, liabilities, and payments, which saves significant manual data entry. Given the complexities and critical nature of these functions, providing a reliable and compliant payroll service requires significant infrastructure, expertise, and ongoing updates to keep up with changing tax laws. This is why companies charge for it. Trying to manage payroll manually or with a truly free and often very basic tool can lead to errors, non-compliance, and substantial headaches, far outweighing any perceived cost savings. How FreshBooks payroll add-on benefits small businesses. While it's a paid service, the FreshBooks payroll add-on offers considerable value, especially for small businesses that might not have a dedicated accounting or HR department. Automation. Automates calculations, deductions, and tax filings, significantly reducing manual work and the risk of errors. Time savings. Frees up valuable time that you would otherwise spend on complex payroll tasks, allowing you to focus on your core business activities. Compliance assurance helps ensure you stay compliant with tax laws and reporting requirements, minimizing the risk of penalties. Seamless integration. Since it's integrated with FreshBooks, all payroll expenses flow directly into your accounting records, providing a complete financial picture without extra effort. Professionalism provides professional pay stubs and year-end forms for your employees and contractors. Scalability. As your team grows, the payroll add-on can scale with your needs, ensuring you always have a robust system in place.